Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add new code to chart of accounts in Zoho Books. This is essential for organizing your financial data and ensuring every transaction is properly categorized within your accounting system. First, open a web browser and navigate to www.zoho.com/books. Once you're on the Zoho Books homepage, log in using your account credentials. Make sure you're using the correct login details to access your company's financial data. After logging in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll see various menu options. Click on Accountant to access your accounting tools. This section houses all the core financial management features you'll need for maintaining your books. When you click on Accountant, an expanded menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Chart of Accounts. This is where all your accounts are organized and managed, giving you a comprehensive view of your entire financial structure. Now look to the top right corner of the screen and click the plus New Account button. This opens up the creation interface where you'll build your new account from scratch. In the Create Account pop-up that appears, start by selecting the appropriate account type from the drop-down menu. You'll see options like Expense, Income, Asset, and Others. Choose the one that best matches the purpose of this new account, as this determines how transactions will be categorized. Next, type in the desired account name for your new account. This should be clear and descriptive so you can easily identify it later when recording transactions. Now comes the important part. Enter a unique account code for the account. You have up to 50 characters to work with here. This code serves as a quick reference identifier and helps maintain consistency across your financial reports. If you want to add more context, enter a description in the optional field. This is helpful for explaining the account's specific purpose, especially if multiple team members will be accessing your books. For accounts you want to keep a close eye on, check the box that says Add to the watch list on my dashboard. This places the account front and center so you can monitor its activity without digging through menus. Finally, click Save to add the new account with its code to your chart of accounts. Your new account is now active and ready to be used for tracking transactions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.